Okay, are we ready for the story? Okay, now tell me who came in the last class to tell us a story? And who was Hobo? Horse. Hobo was a horse. And today Hobo has sent his two friends. Do you want to meet them? Do you want to meet them? I can't hear you properly. Do you want to meet them? Okay, then what we have to do? We have to close our eyes and we have to say the magical words. Abracadabra. No, from the starting. Abracadabra. Gilly gilly. Shoo! Pratiksha ma'am. Similarly, this rabbit name is Ricky. This rabbit name is Ricky. This rabbit name is Ricky. And this rat name is Mouse. This rat name is Rosie. This rat name is Rosie. This rat name is Rosie. Ricky. Rat. Ricky. Rosie. Ricky. Rosie. Rosie. Okay, now today they are going to tell you their story. Ricky and Rosie are best friends. Ricky and Rosie are best friends. And they always spend all the time together. वो अपना सारा टाइम एक साथ अपने साथ बिताते थे एक दूसरे के साथ. They eat together, they play together, they dance together. वो सब काम एक साथ करते थे. One day they decided, उन्हें क्या decide किया that they are going to play with badminton. Okay, now listen to mom. This is racket. This is racket. This is racket. And what is the color of racket? Red color. What is the color of racket? Red. And they were playing with the racket. And Ricky hit the ball with very hard force. क्या किया उसने? बहुत जोर से बॉल को हिट किया और बॉल बहुत दूर जाके गिर गई. And अब वो बॉल they started searching for the ball, but उनको बॉल नहीं. But now they can't play with the rackets, right? अब वो rackets के साथ play नहीं कर सकते, तो उन्होंने decide किया उनको रोजी को एक रॉक दिखी. क्या दिखी? रॉक. रोजी को क्या दिखी? रॉक. तो रोजी डिसाइडेड कि हम इस रॉक पे जल्दी से लैंड करके जाएंगे. क्या करके जाएंगे? लैंड करके जाएंगे. तो दोनों लैंड करके कहाँ पे गए? रॉक के पास. एंड जैसे ही वो रॉक के पास गए तो उन्हें क्या किया? उन्हें गेम स्टार्ट किया प्ले करना. कौन सा गेम स्टार्ट किया? यस कृष्णा. नो, शटलकॉक तो नहीं मिल रही थी. बॉल भी नहीं मिल रही थी. नो, उन्हें स्टार्ट किया. ओके, उन्हें कौन सा गेम स्टार्ट किया? माँ बताती है. Round and round the roses, pocket full of posies. आपको भी आते ना ये तो? चलो सब साथ में गाएंगे. Ring around the roses, pocket full of posies. Haisha, Haisha, oh boy down. अब गेम खेला एंड उसके बाद उन्हें क्या किया, they started rolling down the rock. उन्हें क्या किया, रॉक से रोलिंग डाउन करना स्टार्ट किया. They started rolling down from the rock and suddenly what happened? The rain. Look, suddenly what happened? क्या हुआ? It started raining. It started raining. And when the rain started, देखो रोजी और रिकी ने क्या किया? They started dancing in the rain. They started dancing in the rain. They love the rain so much. They started dancing in the rain. And after some time, when the rain stopped, जब rain stop होती है तो क्या आता है? Rainbow. क्या आता है? Rainbow. And जब rain stop हुई तो देखो क्या आया? Beautiful rainbow. And how many colors are there in the rainbow? 7 colors. How many colors? So they saw the rainbow. They were so amazed to see the rainbow. वो इतने खुश हुए, वो इतना If we want to say something, we have to raise our hand. Okay? Yes, Krishka. Yes, Krishka. वो खुश हो गए. हाँ, वो खुश हो गए रेनबो देख के. ये सब कुछ. ये सब. Oh wow! Akul has seen a rainbow. Wow, that's great. And yes, Suhan. Raise your hand. Yes, Suhan. Oh, great job. Okay, yes, Krish, Shravan, yes. Two colors होते हैं rainbow में. Are there only 2 colors in the rainbow? How many colors? Yes, Shravan, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. Okay, not only 2 colors, there are 7 colors. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then what happened? Okay, let's come back to the story. Then what happened when they see rainbow? They were so happy to see rainbow. तभी Rosie saw something red on the ground. Rosie ने कुछ red देखा ground पे पड़ा हुआ. And उसने क्या किया? उसने she picked the red thing and gobbled it up. उसने उस red thing को उठाया और खा लिया. And she started saying, help, 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 help. Oh! Do you know what was that? जो उसने खाया था, क्या था वो? क्या थी वो red thing? It was red chili. And Rosie has gobbled the red chili. And she started saying, help, 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 help. तो उसका friend कौन था? Rabbit name was Ricky. Rabbit name was Ricky. Ricky ran and got some raspberries. Ricky got some raspberries. Ricky got some raspberries and gave raspberries. Ricky gave the raspberries to Rosie. Ricky gave raspberries to Rosie. And after eating raspberries, जो उसको yes, she got a relief. उसको relief मिला and she said thank you to his friend. है ना? उसने अपने friend को क्या बोला? Thank you so much. Thank you Ricky. अगर आप नहीं होते तो मैं क्या करती? मैं तो यहाँ पे स्पाइसी खा ली थी ना मैंने चिली. फिर क्या होता? नो तो मैं यहाँ पे हेल्प करती रह जाती बट मेरी कोई हेल्प ही नहीं करता. है ना? थैंक यू सो मच. और रिकी ने क्या बोला? अरे यू आर माई फ्रेंड. आप तो मेरे फ्रेंड हो एंड इट इज माई ड्यूटी टू हेल्प यू. है ना? अगर जो भी फ्रेंड होता है, अगर हमारे फ्रेंड को हमारी नीड होती है तो हमें अपने फ्रेंड की हेल्प करनी चाहिए ना. फर्स्ट तो दूसरी स्टोरी में था, अभी तो हम रिकी और रोजी की बात कर रहे थे, है ना? Okay, okay, look here. Who is this? Ricky. Ricky the rabbit. Ricky the rabbit. And who is this? Rosie the rat. Rosie the rat. They both were best friends. They both were best friends. They eat together. They dance together. They play together. And one day they decided to play with the They decided to play with the racket. And Ricky hit the ball with so much force कि उसकी बॉल क्या हो गई? बहुत दूर चली गई, खो गई. And they decided to run and go to the big rock. And when they went to the big rock, तो उन्हें कौन सा गेम खेला? कौन सा गेम खेला? Rosie saw some red thing on the ground and she gobbled up. And what was that red thing? That's the red chili. And when she gobbled the red chili, she started saying, help, help, help. And what did Ricky got for her? Ricky क्या लेके आया? Rosie felt a relief and said, "Thank you, my friend. glitter words. Now we have to see how glitter art looks like, है ना? अब हमें देखना पड़ेगा glitter art दिखता कैसे. हमें art की style रखनी है. Okay. पे. Very good, Akshay. Clap for Akshay.
Well done.
Okay, next. Raise your hand. Yes, Lavanya. Lavanya, what is this? Which animal is this? Rabbit. This is rabbit. And Lavanya, what is this? Log. Okay, Lavanya, when we are saying, can we hear the sound of letter R?
Yes.
Can we hear the sound of letter R when we are saying rabbit? हमें letter R की sound आ रही है? Yes. And when we are saying log, क्या हमें letter R की sound आ रही है? Can we hear the sound of letter R? No. So which picture should mom click on? किस पे click करें mom? Rabbit पे. Clap for Lavanya.
Well done.
Okay, next. Yes, Arif. What is this, Arif? Wait. Remember this? Cake. What is it? No. Mom is not going to give the smileys to those who are not raising their hand. Yes, Adya, what is it? Kitchen. Kitchen. And Adya, what is it? Rat. Okay, Adya, when we are saying kitchen, can we hear the sound of letter R? जब हम kitchen बोल रहे हैं क्या letter R की sound आ रही है हमें? Okay, when we are saying rat, क्या हमें letter R की sound आ रही है? So, ma'am, on which picture shall ma'am click on? किस पे click करें ma'am? Rat पे. Good job.
Well done.
Clap for Radhya. Okay, next picture. Yes, Prishka. We have to wait for our turn. We have to wait for our turn. Sit. Yes, Prishka, what is it? Rainbow. What is this? अच्छा, काऊ का मेन वाला वर्जन मैम ने बताया था, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? How to explain? Ox. What is it? Which animal is this? Which animal is this? Okay, Krishna, when we are saying rainbow, can we hear the sound of letter R? When we are saying rainbow, हमें letter R की sound आ रही है? Yes. And when we are saying ox, क्या हमें letter R की sound आ रही है? No. तो मैम किस पे click करें बेबी? Rainbow पे. Okay.
Well done.
Clap for Krishna. Okay. Next. Okay. Yes, Avyuk. What is this, Avyuk? No, this is not a glass. No. जिस पॉट में टी रखते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Raise your hand. Raise जब when we are saying R तो हमें R की साउंड कहाँ आ रही है? R की साउंड से स्टार्ट होता है. R. And that boy is sitting with Suhan. Rudraj. And there is one more boy in our class who is sitting with Inaya. Yes. When we are saying Ahlcon, तो okay, let's see some more letter R words. Sit properly, and you have to raise your hand if you know the answer. Without raising our hand, ma'am is not going to ask you anything. अभी तो आपने दिखाया भी नहीं, हमने hand raise कर लिए. Priyansh, what is it? We have to raise our hand. Yes, Priyansh. Robot. This is a robot. Okay, clap for Priyansh. Okay, next. Sit down. Okay, raise your hand. Yes, Priyansh. Rocket. And rocket में कौन sit करता है? Astronaut. Very good. Okay, now raise your hand. Which flower is this? Raise your hand. Rudraj, mom is not going to give you any smiley. Yes, Prasha, what is it? Which flower? Which flower? Raise your hand. Rose. This is a rose. And what is the color of rose? Red color. What is the color of rose? Okay, now what is it? Yes, Rishika, what is it? Necklace. इसको हम अपनी neck में wear करते हैं. इसको तो ma'am अपनी fingers पे. Raise your hand and sit down. इसको ma'am अपनी finger में wear करती है. Yes, Akul. Ring. Clap for Akul. This is a ring. Okay, next. Raise your hand. Wait for your turn. This is not a jacket. We wear this when there is raining out. We are not raising our hand, and ma'am is not going to give you any smiley अगर हम ऐसे करें, है ना? हमें raise करना है hand. We have to wait for our turn. Okay. Yes, we have right. Raincoat. This is a raincoat. And when do we wear this? कब wear करते हैं हम? जब rain आती है. Good job. Okay, now which animal is this? Pranay, which animal is this? Pranay. Rhino. Clap for Pranay. Okay. Now what is it? Abu sir. What is it, Abu sir? Road. Clap for Abu sir. Okay, next. And this is the last one. Yes, Kilansuri. Rope. This is a rope. Yes, Adya, what is it? Rope. Good job. Ganesh, what is it? Rope. Good job. Okay, now we know so many R-letter words. We know the story of Rosie and Ricky. तो अब हमें घर पे जाके क्या करना है? We have to tell this story to Mama and Papa, and we have to tell this story to everyone. And now this is the time we have to say goodbye to Rosie and Ricky. Say bye.